仙人观察太子的相貌后，老仙人观察太子的相貌后，认为具有非凡的象征，预言太子将来一定会出家修行，证得无上大教。
大局。
The old sage observed that the baby possessed great virtue in his countenance and foretold that the boy would leave home to cultivate and attain ultimate enlightenment. 老仙人即向太子礼拜，净饭王也不自觉地跟着礼拜。The old sage knelt down to worship the prince. Without realizing it, King Sadodana followed the old sage and knelt down to worship his son. 太子诞生后的第5天，举行命名典礼，称为悉达多，意思为一切已成就。5 days after the prince's birth, a ceremony was held to name the prince. He was named Siddhartha, which meant realization of all goals.